This is a Alaska range, Chugach range, and on that side there is a Talkeetna mountain range as well too. So the glacier sits between two ranges in kind of like a valley, and so it's called the Valley Glacier. Yes, and it's special. It have a special microclimate here because it can rain in Glen Allen, it can rain in any other area, but here we have a nice, beautiful thin layer of clouds sometimes when it's a cloudy day. And the reason is because it's created this kind of like a dome protection from the rain, because the rain is the most destructive for the glacier. I call it a finished product of the glacier because it has all the rich material in it. So people are doing facial, usually women taking it off because it's kind of like a world-class facial. So we put it on the face. I know a cool spot down there, freshy. So I have some back so you can load it up if you would like to. But it's a really cool thing because this is a non-Newtonian fluid. Now it's frozen, but there are areas during the summer months that it's very cool. Kids likes to play in it because it's a non-Newtonian fluid, so it's neither liquid, neither solid.
Matanuska Glacier offers amazing guided walking tours. A few days prior, I'd finished driving the Dempster Highway to the Arctic Ocean in Canada. Once completed, I turned back and headed southwest into Alaska. I'm on the Alaska Highway, heading northwest, right near alongside the edge of Kulani National Park and Preserve. Beautiful, stunningly tall mountains, and I'm also skirting the edge of Kulani Lake. Within that park, further in, is actually Mount Logan, which is the tallest mountain in Canada, around 19,550 feet, and is the second tallest peak in all of North America behind Denali. So it's beautiful here. It was my original plan to go to Alaska, but I got detoured by the beautiful Yukon and the highly alluring Dempster Highway. Made it to the Arctic Ocean and back.
Of that bluish exposure.
Oh, I definitely see. That's amazing.
Isn't it cute? Is it showing or not?
Yeah.
And then those crystals, how large and dense they are, that's how they're popping up the blue through here. And you can see the little bit of the sediment falling in there as well too in the white ice, because this is kind of like a white ice versus the blue ice too, yes, right in here. So it's so pretty.
Happy birthday.
Happy early birthday.
Because before I used to use like a ridges to cross around, but now because there is a couple of the crevasses there and they are still not stable, they can be too full of water, so I don't want to make my own trail.
Is puzzle ice the loosest ice? Would you say? Like,
Yes.
what were the four again? Sorry, the puzzle,
Puzzle, basil ice,
right,
blue ice, and white ice.
white ice. Cool.
As you can see, there is a sediment brought with it, and that crack opened up after the earthquake too, because there was obviously some shifts underneath as well too. And usually the water is finding its way through at the bottom here, where it's frozen, fresh frozen water here, and dropping down here.
For the whole year?
Majority, yes. So what the glaciers are a mass flowing ice, big large chunk of ice flowing down with the force of gravity. And they are formed by accumulation of snow, compression, and crystallization. That's what build the glacier. Yes, so the glacier grow when basically there is so much accumulation of the snow and compression. That snow is being compressed. Like we can see, it's like when you pat it with the snow machine, yes, that's naturally is being compressed, and it's crystallized, yes. So that's what creates its beauty and the growth and stability as well too, yes.
Well, Matanuska Glacier was incredible. I highly recommend. Today for me per person was about $125. Definitely worth it because you're taking to some spectacular locations. I thought it was amazing. Honestly, one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. I was blown away. Incredible.